Welcome to another guided nature meditation. My name is Mara. I'll be guiding you today. Let's start with our eyes open. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes, and allow yourself this time for you. Because self-care is the most selfless thing that you can do. Taking time for yourself affects everybody around you. Because if we're not in a positive, stable place, then it's hard for us to communicate with others from that space. Now, let's start by taking a deep breath in through the nose and let it out through the mouth. Take another deep breath in through the nose and let it out as you gently close your eyes. Today, I want you to picture yourself in a beautiful space in nature. This can be the forest, the ocean, your garden, somebody else's garden, the desert, wherever your mind takes you to a peaceful, natural place where you feel safe and secure. Let your breathing return to normal and see yourself in this place. Take in the details. Feel the warm sun on your skin. Feel the breeze against your cheek. The fresh air rejuvenating you. Now, while you're inside this place, I want you to start to picture a small light that has started to form right in the center of your chest. Almost like a pinpoint of light. And I want you to notice that this light feels very joyous, feels gentle, feels very happy and strong. And I want you to notice this light growing slowly to envelop your whole chest. Now your whole chest is filled with that joyous, strong feeling. And slowly allow the light to expand past your chest, down both of your arms to your fingers, down your waist to your thighs, your knees, all the way down to your ankles, into your feet and your toes, up your neck, to your chin, your ears. And as this light touches these parts of your body, allow them to relax. All the way up to your eyes, your eyebrows, to the crown of your head. Let this joyous light and energy fill up your body, as well as the sounds of the natural place that you found yourself in. The wind rustling the branches of nearby trees or plants. The birds, perhaps. If you're at the ocean or near any body of water, listen to that. And fully let yourself sink into this joyful, strong, calming feeling of this light filling your body, filling your spirit. And allow yourself to sit in that for a few breaths. Slowly but surely, allow your attention to come back to your physical body, your physical senses. Start to say goodbye to this natural world that you found yourself in. Bring the light with you. Bring that feeling with you. Come back into your body. Feel the seat underneath you, or the bed supporting your body. Move your fingers and your toes. And allow a smile to come to your face. Feeling grateful. Thank yourself for attending this practice and giving yourself this time to relax and rejuvenate. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time.